Hostel review. Meininger, Berlin East Side Gallery, Berlin. I book all of my hostel accommodations through the Hostel World app. As you can see, here is a list of hostels that I have stayed in, as well as the dates that I stayed there. So my reviews are honest and real. Today I'll be reviewing Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery in Berlin, Germany. I stayed there from June 7th to June 10th. I'll go down to categories with Hostel World allowing me to rate each category out of 5 stars. The first category is security. Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery is much more like a hotel than a hostel. The only difference is instead of renting a room like a hotel, you rent a bed in a dorm with an ensuite. The hostel is a modern building with modern security measures such as security cameras in common areas, keycard access to individual floors and dorm rooms, and available safe storage of large items. While the common areas are open to everyone, including friends of guests in the hostel, other remaining areas of the hostel are secured. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The second category is location. Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery is located directly across the Berlin Ostbahnhof. Access to the rest of Berlin, as well as many other areas, can be found here. Kreuzberg is the neighborhood where the hostel is located and is known for being the beating heart of the alternative scene in Berlin. Alternative subcultures such as goths, punks, and hippies can be found here. There are plenty of restaurants located in the area, from upscale restaurants to cheap takeaways. Overall, a 5 out of 5. The third category is staff. All the staff I met in Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery were great. Although I lived in Berlin previously, I was still unsure about navigating through the vast network of public transit, and the staff were very helpful with this. Everyone was genuinely friendly, and I wanted all the guests to enjoy the vibrant neighborhood of Kreuzberg and the city of Berlin. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fourth category is atmosphere. Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery had a really cool vibe to it. The common areas such as the cafe and dining room were set up in a way that everyone could meet and mingle easily. Given the alternative style of the neighborhood of Kreuzberg, the atmosphere in the hostel was electric, artistic, and vibrant. During the morning, the common areas were usually filled with digital nomads who were working off their laptops. But in the middle of the evening to late at night, the dining area is filled with people making friends and sharing their stories. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The fifth category is cleanliness. As part of the Meininger network, Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery had a professional cleaning staff working at all hours to keep the hostel clean. While Kreuzberg and Berlin in general is not known for its cleanliness, the hostel wanted to keep itself to a higher standard by making sure all the common areas were always presentable and sleeping areas were comfortable and clean. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The sixth category is value for the money. I paid €39 a night to stay. That was including taxes and Hostel World fees. Berlin, like the rest of Germany, is an expensive place to stay, and this was during the height of the European travel season. Despite this, staying in a great place like Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery for this price was very affordable. Overall, a 4 out of 5. The final category is facilities. Meininger Berlin East Side Gallery had everything that I needed to have a comfortable stay and a great experience in Berlin. The hostel is housed in a hotel-like tower with a high-speed elevator to all the floors. There was a small laundromat available for guests, parking for vehicles, full kitchen and dining area. The dorms were a decent size, had large windows, and the beds were comfortable. The en-suites were separated into a single full bathroom and a single washroom. The building itself was very modern throughout, and Wi-Fi was available everywhere. Overall, a 4 out of 5. My overall review on Hostel World is 8.2 out of 10, and I would not change that at all. My review is as stated on Hostel World. The Meininger chain of hostels are more like hotels. The Berlin location is conveniently located right across from the Berlin Ostbahnhof station in Kreuzberg. The facilities are great with elevators, in-suite bathrooms, laundry service, and lounge. With countless travelers, there's plenty of opportunity to meet new people. The beds are a good size, comfortable, and the bathrooms are spacious. The hotel overall is clean, along with the kitchen area. I recommend staying here. Like all of my reviews, I either recommend something or I don't. Regarding Meininger Berlin Eastside Gallery, I recommend staying here.